welcome to my channel. My name is Kat. If you are new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be serving you with some looks. If you are like me and you love your box braids and at the same time you love your turban, this video is specifically for you. I've got some easy hairstyles that you can do that are so fun and you're gonna look gorgeous at the end of it. And I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this video. If it speaks to you, give it a massive big thumbs up, and on your way there, don't forget to subscribe because it is free 99. Let us get wrapping.
I would do anything just to get you back again. I would do anything at all. I know I'm not innocent, you deserve a better man, but let me just hold your hand once more. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, 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 show you what I'm all about. Ooh, 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 make up for what we lost. Tonight is the night that we're gonna fall in love. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head. There's a new part of me, a part I want you to see. You haven't seen the best of me, I know. You can try to fool yourself, like you love somebody else, but you and him will never feel the way we do. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, 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 show you what I'm all about. Ooh, 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 make up for what we lost. Tonight is the night that we're gonna fall in what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head.
I need something from you, and I need something new. Oh, I got things to prove to you, and I know what to do. Oh, you're moving with the lights, they follow in the night. You're always doing right. I see you watching too, and I know how to move. You may not know me, but I know your love. It's around me, under and above. You may not know me, but I want you close, all around me, under and above. There's something I gotta say before we fade away. Oh, I'm not here to stay, my love, but that's another day. You may not know me, but I know your love. It's around me, under and above. You may not know me, but I want you close, all around me, under and above. You may not know me, but I know your love. It's around me, under and above. You may not know me, but I want you close, all around me, under and above.
And that is a wrap. I enjoyed making this video for you guys. I will see you on the next one. Love you, bye.